In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your age on Roblox. You're going to have to go to a browser on your desktop device or mobile. You're going to log into your Roblox account and then go to the settings icon at the top right, then tap settings. After this, you're going to scroll just a little bit and you're going to see check your age to get more features right here. And you can either continue with selfie or continue with ID. Now, if we click continue with selfie, it's going to load up real quick and it's going to give you this option. Take a selfie so we can estimate your age. It'll take about a minute. Find good lighting, and this will be used to check your age. We'll click continue. Now you can either take a selfie on this device or continue on another device. You'll be able to go into your camera application, put your phone right up to the QR code, and it'll take you to the website on your phone. You'll tap take a selfie. It'll ask if you would like to allow access to the camera. Click allow. It's going to load, and then it's going to say center yourself on the screen, and then you'll see take photo. You'll tap that, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you want to use your ID instead, you can click that. You're going to need to enter your email. So this will be your recovery method in case you lose your account. You'll pretty much go through the same process. You'll have to show the front and back of your ID, and you'll verify and you'll be good to go. But that's the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.